Hello, my name is Bonnie McCracken, and I'm running for Register of Deeds of the Hampshire District. The mission of the Registry of Deeds is to record and preserve all deeds, mortgages, and documents pertaining to real estate transaction and the title to land which lies within its registry district. Most importantly, the Registry of Deeds is about our homes. Your home, my home. The Registry of Deeds is about the protection of our homes, families, and communities. I am running for Register of Deeds because I understand that there's more that the Register can do for the residents of the Hampshire District. I've used the land records at the Registry for more than 25 years. And experience tells me that in addition to its recording and preservation function, the resources of the Registry of Deeds should be directed towards the protection of our homes, families, and communities. In these difficult economic times, with so many foreclosures and bankruptcies, we've seen how important it is to stay watchful and diligent. I believe it will take an experienced leader who's dedicated to the mission of the Registry of Deeds and the residents of Hampshire District to navigate these turbulent times with limited budgets. That is what I can do and why I'm running for Register of Deeds of the Hampshire District. Thank you.